Hello, my name is Yelena Hurtado Sanchez, studying program Psychology UNAP. Place in Colombia where a tourist can go. Where it is? Capurganá is a Taichin in the municipality of Acandí, located in the department of Chocó, Colombia, near the Colombia-Panamanian border in the Gulf of Urabá. It is a tourist town isolated by road from the interior of the country. What can you do there? It's a tourist place where you can observe beautiful sea turtle among the gray hair, which is in the hair of extinction, and the houseful with contour discovered to lay there at the entire municipality of Acandí is considered a safe natural sanctuary for this turtle species. How can you head there? Capurganá is a township that is part of the municipality of Acandí in Chocó, so to head there only have to wait and heading to Capurganá by air is very fast but not so cheap. These are charter flights depart from the Medellin airport. You choose the schedule very well since the frequency of flights changes according to the season. The second option is to reach Capurganá by sea from Necoclí or Turbo in the department of Antioquia. Thank you.